I made my first investment at the age of 11. I was wasting my life up until then. Warren Buffett. Investing is a life skill. It's a way of coping with the world. Some people can do it naturally without really thinking about it. For others, it will be a conscious effort at first, but in time becomes something unconscious. Either way, you'll be better prepared to deal with the future if you make the effort now. Today, we're going to be highlighting the top 5 reasons why you need to start investing now. You should be investing, but you keep procrastinating. You think there's plenty of time for that retirement fund later, but you are wrong. Warren Buffett made his first investment when he was 11, and he still thinks that he was late. This tells a lot about investing early. Today's video is going to be about learning and understanding these reasons more critically, and let's get into it. Time is on your side. The secret to successful investing is to start while you're young. If you're still in your teens or 20s, you have a lot of time before retirement. However, if you are past that age, if you think about it now, you can start investing sooner rather than later. Time is an investor's greatest asset. You can be any age to start investing, but time is also the greatest asset because every second you wait means you're giving up that investment. The more you can invest when you're young, the better your financial future will be. Compound interest. While time is your best friend when you're investing, compound interest is one of the reasons that you should start now. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Compound interest works a lot like how you make snowballs. First, you roll a snowball around and it picks up more snow as it moves along. Then, when you stop rolling the snowball, the snow inside will start to turn to ice. If you invested $30,000 at the current rate of 8.52% and received that average return every year, you'd end up with $525,000 in 6 decades. Over time, your principal will appreciate as a result of the addition of interest. You will take control of your future. There will come a time when you have to stop working. You might not know what to do next. That's why you should start investing. Not only does investing make you money, it also gives you the kind of control over your future that most people can't find. By making an investment, you're giving your money something productive to do. It's making you wealthier over time. By investing now, you'll be working to make your finances more stable. You'll be able to easily decide when to stop working when you want to instead of stopping when you need to. You'll regret it if you don't invest. Most experts will tell you that if you're not investing in your 20s, you are behind. No matter what the economy is doing, it's better to start investing as early as you can. Delay could cost you. When you're younger, you have less bills and more time to invest. Put those two things together and you have a lot more free money to invest with. One of the most common regrets of successful investors is that they didn't start investing sooner. Like Warren Buffett simply puts, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Even John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, once expressed his regrets with not investing earlier in life. And the last reason, it is easier to invest now. It's never been easier to start investing through a personal retirement savings account like your individual retirement account, IRA, for example. Among the many tools for investing, easy-to-use apps are becoming more common. These services are easy to use and take very little time to set up. Investing is easy when you use apps like Acorns or Robinhood to put your money to work for you. The popularity of investing apps has increased because online trading doesn't require a lot of money to get started. Also, index funds are designed to mirror or track a stock market index, such as the Standard & Poor's 500, or simply the S&P 500, which is a stock market index tracking the performance of 500 large companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. These indexes make it easier for you to invest in any market conditions. If you're trying to invest, we strongly suggest you consider index funds. They're widely available and they're easy to manage. With that, we come to the end of today's video. Now you know you can control your future by the decisions you make today. If you don't choose to invest today, you'll probably never do it. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. We also would love to know at what age you made your first investment. And if you haven't made any investments in your life, now is the best time to start, so let us know what you invest in. As the Chinese proverb goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Catch you later!